Hi guys, it's Mr. Turbeville, just doing a quick little video on a couple little problems for what happens when the king, little worksheet here. So you get over here and next page. So that's the one we're kind of looking at. I'm going to do just a couple of problems here, just a quick review. So on number one, how your inequalities is just like equalities, except for one little thing that we're going to come across here in just a minute. But for now, we're in good shape. So our goal here, as it always been, is we're trying to get x by itself isolated. So -5 and 2 have to go away. Could do the -5. I think the 2 would be a better choice. And so the opposite of adding 2 would be subtracting 2 from both sides of the inequality symbol. Okay, don't do the 5x because they're not like terms, right? And so let's go across here. -5x, these cancel to 0, and that's less than or equal to 37 minus 2, that is 35. Okay, again, to get x by itself, we got to get rid of -5. The opposite of multiplying times -5 would be dividing by -5. Okay, and what we do to one side, we always do to the other. Multiply and divide all the way through. Okay, so this reduces to 1x. This turned into -7. But this is the deal, guys. When we multiply or divide on both sides, we're going to need to flip over that inequality symbol, okay? So we didn't flip it to greater than and equal to because of the -7. We did it because we divided by -5 on both sides. Now, if we divided by +5, leave it be. Does it have anything to do with the equal sign? No, it doesn't have anything to do with that either. That only has to do with, describing the answer. So this is just like solving an equation, except you got a lot more answers as possibilities. Okay, as opposed to just -7, you got anything -7 or bigger. So let's do one more example. Okay, this is a little bit different. Again, we're trying to get the x by itself, so the 3 and the -10 go away. We found through experience that probably adding 10 will be our better choice. We could divide by 3, but adding 10 probably is a better strategy. Okay, we don't see, that's not a like term, so we can't add 10 to it. So what we did to one side, we did to the other. So let's bring down our 3x. And then our -10s, they do cancel. That's important. That's a really important to double check. And then we bring down, well, it's kind of like a 7, but oh well. Let's see here. And I didn't make it through. So -22 plus 10, that's going to give me -12. Okay. And then my little pencil pooped out on me, so I'm going to have to use my trackpad here and then divide by 3 on both sides. And so where we go, we got x is greater than -4. Now, we have a -4. Should we have flipped over the sign there? No, not necessary. Only when we multiply or divide on both sides with a negative, okay? So since those were positive 3's, no need. Other than that, it's just like solving an equation. Hope that was helpful. Quick little reminder on how to deal with inequalities.